Just getting ready to take my first shots here since getting my Armory Craft dual adjustable trigger dropped into my X5 Legion. I'm anticipating love. Well, they're all alphas. I gotta learn to get faster with it, but I like it. Let's play 2 headshots. Alpha Charlie. Got 10 more rounds. Try and get 2 in the A zone this time. Especially while the wind's not blowing. Too slow. Too slow. So while I'll always be the first to admit I've got plenty of work to do on me, I'm happy to say I'm very pleased with my choice of trigger. Thanks, Milos. Sweet trigger.